Max, you ready to go to the campsite? Clark, are you ready to go to the campsite? What are you most excited about?
Riding our bike park.
What are you most excited about, Ella?
Making new friends.
Look at me. What are you most excited about?
Making new friends.
You don't seem very excited. Tablet zombie. What are you most excited about, No Jojo? What are you most excited about, No Jojo? Say, running around with one shoe on, one shoe off. Yeah. Yep. What are you most excited about, Max?
Riding on your bike.
Riding on my bike with me?
On my baby bike.
On your baby bike?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? So today is the day, moving day. We're finally moving out of this house and heading to our first travel assignment in Chattanooga, Tennessee. We went down there last weekend and booked our campsite. Super nice campsite. We're very, very excited about it. We're gonna be there for 3, maybe 4 months, so we wanted to be sure it was a nice one we could enjoy. We wanted to find joy in the journey. Anyways, yeah, today's moving day. As you can see, we've pretty much got everything cleared out. The house. Pretty much everything is cleared out of the house. Today's Wednesday, March the 10th. Wednesday, March the 10th, and we are moving out of this house. So it's 1 o'clock, 1:05, 1:10, something like that. And we have about got everything packed up. Rachel is packing up the final filing cabinet now. We're gonna put our food in these coolers, and we're out of here. A few small boxes to get. We got all the camper packed up. We got the slides in. Got all of our sewer hose, water hoses, electrical cords all put up. So we're hoping to be on the road within the next hour would be ideal. But it's gonna take the whole hour, I'm sure. So, but yeah, I think we're gonna make it today, don't you, babe? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll go up to the dining room.
Okay, here we go. We're out of here. House is empty. Yep, last time we'll be living here for, I don't know, it could be years, 3 years for sure. 5, 10. Who knows? We've got some really good renters. Her cousin, one of her cousins, RJ, he's my cousin too. Me and Rachel are cousins. I don't know how many of you know that, but at least she's my cutest cousin. So if you're gonna marry your cousin, marry your cutest cousin. RJ and Jody are gonna rent it from us. So we're pretty excited about that. Excited to get on the road, excited to get on the road. Got some memories here. Some more recent than others. Yep, bittersweet goodbye, bittersweet goodbye. I'll have to get my tools out. All right, guys. I'm not sure.
I'll tell you.
Here we go.
I have my tablet.
Fixing to pull the truck around and hook her up. We sure are. Fixing to hit the road. I hope we can make it before dark. I'm not thinking we are, but we will see. We will see. Where are we going?
To Taco Bell.
Good.
Arms around me, baby, put your
Pretty, huh? Turkey? That's not cool. He'd right on my tire. Like a dog. Like a little pup. All right, so we made it to our resting point for the night. AMC parking lot. So I guess we'll see you guys in the morning. And then in the morning, we'll be on to the campground. So I'm super duper excited for you guys to see. No, 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 no. Don't get out. You're stepping in your pee. Nuh-uh. No, no. You don't have no shoes on. Get up in the van. I'm super excited for you guys to see our campground. It is epic, super T-duper epic. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the morning. Adios.